Well, hello everyone and welcome. Today I want to show you a easy way to add video to your blog without having to use HTML. And what we're going to do is we're going to install a simple plugin called Smart YouTube. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to go to the dashboard for your WordPress blog. So this is behind the scenes here. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Plugins. Where's Plugins? Here we go. We're going to go to Plugins. And under Plugins, we're going to click on Add New. And then it'll bring up this screen. And here in the search thing, we're going to type in Smart YouTube. And click Search Plugins. And now here we go. So at the very top here we have Smart YouTube. And what you're going to want to do is click on the Install button right here. I already have it installed on mine, but you'll see, like it's showing down here, it will say Details and Install Now. So you want to click on the button that says Install Now. And then once you've done that, then you're going to activate it. So what we're going to do is go down below here to our, let's go, I'll show you what happens at that point. Where are we at? Plugins. We'll go back to Plugins here. And we're going to come down to Smart YouTube. And there's this button here, and you'll have the option to activate Smart YouTube. So you're going to activate Smart YouTube. And then once we have done that, then over here underneath your settings, you're going to go down to the settings for Smart YouTube. And these are very simple settings, but it gives you some really nice features, some nice options. You can display your videos in posts only, or display them in comments as well. So you just need to, click on these check boxes. Also, if you wanted to, you can use the iframe embed code. I chose not to here. And then you can choose video widths with and height in normal mode, or you can use high quality mode, high definition. So it just depends on if you think your audience is all going to have high def, you could go ahead and do that. However, you can make that choice on your own. And then you also, down here, you have the option, if you would like to include a frame around your video. There's a button here for include related videos, and what that is once your video is done playing, and YouTube often they have other videos, related videos, that display along the bottom of your post. So you can choose whether you want those related videos to show or not. I choose not to. I like to just have mine end at that point and not take them away from my video or my site. You have a choice of different colors of frames. I chose this because it matches the theme of my blog the most closely. You can choose not to have a border if you like. So anyways, there's the different options here that you have to choose from, and you can also choose to display this and link in the RSS feeds and so on. So choose your options there, and then just click on this button here that says Update Options. And once you do that, now we'll show you the real beauty of this plugin and how simple this really is. So what I'm going to do here is go to Posts, and if you're looking to create a new post or whatever, you just click on Add New. But I'm going to look at my drafts here, and I've started one here just to save us a little bit of time. So we'll click on this one here, and so I've created this. So you're going to go ahead and type in Add Video, type in a title for your blog post, type in your text, and then to add a video to your blog post, we're going to stay here. You have the choice in WordPress of working on your post either just in the visual, what you see is what you get mode, or in HTML. Okay, so we don't have to mess with the HTML. We're going to stay in the visual mode here, and what we're going to do is I'm going to just go right in here where we already have text. I'm going to click and add a space here, and then the next step then is I'm going to go to the YouTube channel, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to select. So here's a video, one of my real cheesy videos I created a while back, and we'll stop this. But instead of what you would normally have to do here is on YouTube, you'd have to click on this embed button and get this HTML code and copy all that and paste it. You can ignore all of that. This is very, very simple. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go up into the URL bar, and I'm going to copy the URL from here, from the page. So I'm going to copy that, and then I'll go back to my post, and I'm just going to paste that URL code right into the text of my blog post. The one thing that you have to do here to make this work then is at the end of where this says HTTP, you type the letter V, as in video. So you don't use HTML, you stay in the visual mode, and you just add a V after the URL text. And now I'm going to go ahead and save this. And I'm going to come back over here to this post. Now, keep in mind, you will not see the video in this visual, in the visual mode in your back office. All you will see is this text. But when we go to our blog post, and I'm going to just refresh the page here, and there we are. The video has been added to the blog post. Now you can see how where this is located right now. It's located over to the right. All you have to do, if you want to do something different with it, I'll just click on this line, and I'm going to click on center here. And then if I go back to my post and refresh the page, yeah, let's see. And there we are. It just took a second, but now it's refreshed. The video is centered in my column, and we have this simple video. The simplest way to add this that I've found. It sure saved me a lot of time and energy. And so that's really all there is to it. And then you would just save this, you publish it, and you have now added video to your page without having to use the embed code, without having to use HTML. So remember, you're just going to copy the code from your URL of the URL from the top of the page, paste it into the visual mode of your WordPress blog, add the V right here after HTTP, and you have a video on your blog that's formatted exactly the way you would like it, with the border color that you like and everything else. So I hope you found this useful. It's been a time saver for me. So have a wonderful day, everyone, and thank you for visiting.